Hello, my name is Dave Peterson with TC Life Safety, and welcome to TC Life Safety's Tech Tips. Tonight we're going to be talking about gas detection. Gas detection, what probably everybody's more familiar with, is for carbon monoxide detection. We've been beating it into everybody's brows that you need to have smoke and CO detection in your homes and in your places of work, so that carbon monoxide can be detected. It's a silent killer, and in the winter, cold months are coming, everybody closes up their buildings, their homes, sets it up tight against the winter. These gases are more prevalent. But it's not limited to just carbon monoxide. There are other gases that are in our everyday lives or in our industry that are still going to be out there and prevalent, and now more than ever with the houses and buildings being closed up. So we're talking about, of course, carbon monoxide. We're talking about combustible gases. Combustible gases are methane, propane, hydrogen. How many people have a propane cylinder in their garage on a barbecue? If that propane cylinder starts to leak, you're going to be starting to get high intensity of flammable gases in your home, which could lead to disaster. Refrigerants, cold storage areas, that kind of places, ice rinks, refrigerants like ammonia and freon are prevalent. Those are toxic gases. Those will kill you. Carbon dioxide is another one. Starting out in California, there's a movement to have carbon dioxide detectors put into schoolrooms. With the new construction, they're building these buildings tighter. It's not enough air movement, and you get 20 or 30 kids in a room, they're all breathing, and you wonder why they're falling asleep in a half an hour, 45 minutes into a class. It's because there's a buildup of carbon monoxide, not monoxide, but carbon dioxide in the room. Other toxic gases are nitrogen dioxide, which comes from diesel fumes. If you have an inside garage or a truck in a loading dock sitting outside running, diesel fumes can get into your building. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is commonly known as sewer gas or manure gas. It's due to decomposition of organic matter, creates hydrogen sulfide, and it acts very similar to on the body as carbon monoxide does. It prevents the oxygenation of the blood. And last but not least is oxygen. Too little you die, too much you blow up. So we have detection for all of these different types of gases. Mercurco's been making gas detection for a number of years. They're very high quality. And their gas detectors come in 3 different formats. All 3 of them are here. The first one is the personal detector. Now this one has a loop that you can put on a lanyard. It's got a clip you can clip onto your belt or onto your shirt or whatever. And this detector format comes in 3 flavors: carbon monoxide, oxygen, and hydrogen sulfide. All 3 of those gases, 3 different personal detectors. Carbon monoxide, if you're a fire alarm technician and you got to go into the building that just had a carbon monoxide alarm, and you want to make sure that it's not still there. The O2 sensor, again, too little or too much, it'll warn you either way. And hydrogen sulfide, if you're a plumber, if you work at a facility where you're treating waste products, not a bad idea to have one on your body. The second format is this one here in the middle. This is one, it's relatively inexpensive. Ties into either 12 or 24 volts DC, connects to a security or a fire alarm. Has an internal buzzer, a little test button, and this will detect, it comes in 3 flavors as well: carbon monoxide, methane, or propane. Third type is the commercial industrial. These are the big boys. These come in either 12 to 24 volts DC or 100 to 250 volts AC. They have 2 relays inside of them, one to tie into a control panel like a fire alarm, another set of contacts, more heavy duty, that controls fans directly, They can be programmed for different levels of gas, depending upon what gas you're detecting, and has a 4 to 20 milliamp analog output. So you can actually report to a control how much gas the detector's seeing. Now these detectors here actually can connect up to a control panel that's manufactured by Mercurco called a DVP-120. Comes in two flavors. A conventional DVP-120 is a 12 zone or 12 device unit. Each device is hardwired into its own zone at the panel. Or the DVP-120M, which is an addressable system. There's an addressable module you plug into the back of these things, and you can plug up to 99 sensors on one control panel, and have that one control panel control your fans, purges, or whatever else you need to do for whatever gas you're detecting. So as you can see, we have the complete line, and we have the knowledge to be able to help you and support you in applications, troubleshooting, whatever your needs are. So please, call us at the number going across the bottom of the screen, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. This is Dave Peterson, TC Life Safety. Have a life safety day.